Power up your emails using numbers and lists in subject lines. Hello learners, welcome back to our channel. Today we're delving deeper into the world of email writing, specifically focusing on the power of subject lines. Your subject line can be the difference between your email being opened or ignored, and one effective way to make them more appealing is by using numbers or lists. So let's find out more about this strategy. When we're skimming through our inbox, numbers often stand out because they're precise and easy to understand. This is why using numbers in your subject line can be so effective. For instance, rather than saying, "Tips to improve your English," you might say, "5 tips to improve your English." The number not only makes your subject line more engaging but also sets a clear expectation for the reader about what they can expect from your email. It suggests that your email is well structured and to the point, which is always appreciated by busy recipients. Just as numbers can attract attention, so can lists. They imply a format that's easy to skim and digest. When you tell readers that you have a list for them, it piques their interest. They may wonder what's on the list and whether they already know about the items you're going to mention. For example, instead of saying, "Tips for effective email writing," you could say, "Top 3 rules for effective email writing." The reader knows that your email will be structured, concise, and that they'll walk away with 3 valuable pieces of information. Remember, however, that numbers and lists should be used effectively. Don't use them unnecessarily or too often, as it might lose its impact. Here are a few tips to make the most of this technique. Be precise. If you're using a number, make sure it accurately represents the content of your email. Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate things. Keep the numbers small and the lists short. Ensure relevance. Make sure the numbers or lists are relevant to the content of your email. So, there you have it. By strategically using numbers and lists in your subject lines, you can make your emails more attractive and compelling. But remember, like all good things, moderation is key. We hope this video will help you level up your email writing skills. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and happy emailing.